Afternoon, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Just wanted to post a quick update on the build process so far for the AM5 PC I'm building for a customer. This is in the Antec Flux Pro case with the wood grain front there, and a nice full-size case. It's made really well. It's easy to work in too. The top panel comes right off, so you can do the mount for the 360 AIO I already got done there. That's the motherboard in this one is the ASRock X870E Touchy. Nice AM5 board. I got the M.2s, the 2 terabyte in the PCI Express 5.0 slot, and a 4 terabyte storage drive up there in that top slot over there by the power connector. So things are coming along nicely. We do offer custom builds, and like I say, there is even a YouTube video detailing the process of how we work on those. So check it out, and thanks for stopping by the YouTube channel. Y'all have a good rest of your day.